Hi guys, now I'm here today to talk to you about Yin Yoga and why you need to have Yin Yoga in your life. Now stay with me for the whole video and I'll explain some very important things that Yin can bring into your life. Okay, my name is Tina and I am the co-creator of PlayPauseBe decks, and I'm a certified yoga teacher and a Yin Yoga teacher as well. So, well, let's start at the base. What is Yin? So I'm sure you all seen the symbol of the Yin and the Yang and how they create and are a symbol of balance. So the Yin is a symbol of the moon, the cool and the flow, the feminine energy, whilst the Yang is the masculine energy, the sun, the dynamic, the strong, let's say. Okay, so why do we need Yin in today's society? Now, I'm sure you can agree with me when I say that we are all very busy all the time. We have tasks going on, we have a long list of to-do lists, we have exercises, we have works, we have things, you're going from one to the other. Even the kids, even small children are going straight from school to practice, to this and that. And I'm gonna say something and you might agree with me or not, but I think we see it as a sign of success and popularity. You know, when I have a million things to do and I can fit you in my calendar, or in our society today, this is a message that I am very popular. I have loads of things to do, I'm successful, and this and that. Do you agree? I think we're a bit like this. It's a bit trendy. We like to have lots and lots to do. But is this really good for you? Is it really good for us, running from one thing to the other all the time and having this high pace all of the time? And then with our exercises, also sometimes with our mindful exercises, we do the same. We go for the hard, the dynamic, and we're missing that other balance. Our scale is completely non-balanced, right? So this is why you need Yin Yoga in your life. Now, Yin Yoga is a slow pace and more a meditative form of yoga. And the good news is that it's very, very approachable for everyone. It's mostly sedentary or reclined, and we hold all of the asanas ranging from about 1 minute to 5 minutes each. And it's not like we're gonna jump and do vinyasa and then go into the next one. No. We move slowly and mindfully from one to the other. And the other great thing is that we can do this whenever. So if you have this high-paced life and you get up in the morning and you have a million things to do and you can't possibly manage to get time to do yoga in the morning, Yin Yoga you can do even right before you go to sleep. Even in your bed if you want to, right? So if you just put away that phone and stop scrolling the last half hour before you go to sleep, and do some Yin Yoga instead and see how it will change your life and your mental health, right? So Yin Yoga is great for calming your nervous system. So it's a great thing, a great tool that you can use to battle stress, insomnia, and all of the things that come with these different states of minds and also state of the body, right? Because our mind affects our body and vice versa. So, the other good news that I have is that you can do this, as I said, in the comfort of your home. And when we do a practice like this, we really do want to, especially if we do it in the evening, to help our sleep, we want to stay away from the screens, away from the blue light. So what we have done is that we have created a Yin Yoga Deck that you can use to structure your own little sequence. And these have the 12 major meridians as well that are basically acupuncture points on your body that will go in and work on your body at an emotional and physical level. And you can read more about this in the manual for the Yin deck as well. So it is a fantastic tool that you can use. Whip out even just 3 cards before you go to bed. You can even do it in bed, right? And then if you're uncertain about this and you don't know how to approach it, you don't really know yoga, we have a course as well that goes along with the Yin deck so that you can use to learn about all of the different asanas and how you can get into them, how you can use your props to help you before you start practicing. But then, when you practice, put the computer away, put the phone away, and practice with a deck mindfully. Now, if you want to learn more about this, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below and you can check out more about the Yin deck. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. I hope you got some tips and some pointers that you can use, and click on the link below and you can find the Yin deck and start to balance your life today.